Hi everyone, hope you are all doing great. At this point, please allow me to present the LMS course that you will use in the submission of your extracurricular activities for our Laurel program. We will be using myLPU eLearning portal, and to start, kindly go to My Courses and look for the Laurel program Experiential activities. Each one of you will have this course in your LMS dashboard. So inside this course, you will see the following sections. A welcome message from our Vice President for Academics and Research, Dr. Cecil Pring, to give you a brief introduction about the Laurel program. Next section is the overview of the Laurel program, wherein you can also view here the objectives, the components of the second transcript, the Laurelian graduate attributes, and the 12 graduate competencies. Next section is the experiential activities. This is a component of the Laurel program to recognize your extra effort to strengthen graduate competencies and make positive contribution to society through extracurricular activities. This component consists of 4 learning packages or themes. We have impactful social responsibility, teamwork, collaboration and networking, global engagement, and personal achievement and lifelong learning. You can also view here the minimum points required to receive the second transcript, as well as the evidence needed for each theme. We also provided you the template for your submission. Now, how will you submit your extracurricular activities? The Laurel Program Technical Committee already identified the local and international activities for each team. For each activity, there is a corresponding submission link where you can submit your coordinated or participated activities. We also provided you with the scoring rubric so that you will be guided with the points you will earn from each activity. Let us have an example. Suppose you participated in the community extension activity of the university. Kindly go to Impactful Social Responsibility section. Here, you can find the activities provided by the Community Extension Office, such as institutional sustainable projects at SHL Restoration Village, the institutional gift giving, coastal cleanup, institutional bloodletting, Balik Eskwela, community extension awareness days, environmental activities, donation drive during calamities, outside university community extension activities, and the community-based experiential research. Going back, for example, you want to submit your participation in the gift-giving activity. So kindly look for the institutional gift-giving activity submission link, click, and then you will be directed to this interface. Kindly look for the Add Submission button, click, and you can see the submission area. So this is the submission area where you can add your submission by using the drag and drop method. So I will drag and drop my file here, wait for the file to be uploaded, and then save changes. To view the status of your submission, so you can view here the status of your submission. As you can see, it's submitted already for grading, and then you have the 2 options. It's either you edit your submission or remove submission. So if you want to edit your submission, you just click the Edit Submission button. And if you want to remove your submission, just click the Remove Submission button. Okay. In case that you participated in more than one activity, we also allow multiple submission of files. However, please do contact our assigned committee regarding the maximum submission limit for each activity. Okay. Next section is the teamwork and collaboration, relationship building, and networking. So under this theme, there are 4 activities pertaining to your participation in the Leadership Enhancement and Attitude Development Camp or Seminar, the leadership roles, officership, membership in community, regional and national, civic and professional organization, as well as your participation in RSO activities, can be college-based or institutional, and your participation in the benchmarking activities. Your submissions here will be validated by the Office of Student Affairs. Next theme is global engagement. So this is under the Strategic Communications, Linkages, and International Affairs Office. Your participation in activities like Student Cultural Exchange Program, International Internship or Practicum, Academic Exchange Program, International Research Presentation, and International Conference or Seminars should be submitted here. And lastly, personal achievement and lifelong learning refers to your participation in academic, sports, cultural competitions, attending seminars, trainings, and conferences, short-term course and certifications, and creative and innovative works. Your college dean and department chair will validate your submissions here. Thank you and stay safe.